Introducing the next generation. The Advanced Kickover Tool, AKT, from Wireline Engineering. This next-generation ultra-high performance kickover tool is designed to make changing a gas lift valve easier, faster, and safer, key factors in reducing costs. Shorter and 30% lighter means handling is easier and safer. Integral rollers based on roller bogie technology improve access at higher deviations. Low torque swivels and radial mass balancing improve orientation, while increased standoff minimizes the effects of scale and wax within the completion. The arm assembly can be serviced easily on location with no requirement for additional training. Material specification has been upgraded for long service life and dependable performance. The tool configuration is adaptable to suit operating conditions. Kick strength and arm reach can be optimized for individual wells. And an arm alignment feature ensures accurate targeting and engagement of gas lift valves. The Advanced Kickover Tool. Reliable, efficient, dependable. Along with a Wireline Engineering centerline jar, roller bogie tools, and stem, using weight appropriate for the well conditions. Taking a systems approach ensures that the entire tool string is fully rollerized for minimum friction and maximum effectiveness. Our target is the deepest of 3 gas lift mandrels in this example of a deviated well. As the well bore angle increases, the rollers in the tool string self-orient and the benefits of a frictionless tool string become evident. Slack-off weight remains positive and the wireline operator has detailed control of downhole action. Even at very high deviations, the AKT tool string can be manipulated precisely. Pulling up and into the orienting slot in the mandrel, the integral low-torque swivels enable the radially balanced AKT to rotate easily. With an overpull against the trigger, the arm kicks out, positioning the pulling tool above the target valve. We locate the top of the valve and set down to latch on. A brief overpull will test latching before jarring up to recover the valve from its pocket. With the valve extracted, we pick up the tool string. The trigger will once again engage, and shearing the trigger pin allows the trigger to retract, and we continue pulling out of hole to surface. On surface, redressing the Advanced Kickover Tool is simple. Tool preparation takes little time, and the AKT is ready to run in hole. As we run back in hole, the target gas lift mandrel is easily located. Once in the orienting slot, an overpull against the trigger kicks the arm out, positioning the running tool and valve. We locate in the valve pocket, jarring down to insert and latch the valve. With the valve fully latched, jarring up releases the running tool, and we continue pulling safely out of hole to surface. The job is completed successfully. The Advanced Kickover Tool. Easier, faster, safer. Time to rethink gas lift work.